Join me as I take on the challenge of building my dream small business using AI for under $1,000. Building a business can be tough, especially when you're on a tight budget. Many aspiring entrepreneurs face significant hurdles from limited funds to lack of resources. These challenges can often hinder their dreams of starting a successful business. Without sufficient capital, it's difficult to invest in necessary tools, hire staff, or even market your business effectively. I'm sure many of you can relate to the frustration of having a great business idea, but not knowing how to turn it into reality. The good news is that if we live in an era where technology, specifically AI, can level the playing field. These are numerous AI tools and resources available that can help you to automate tasks, enhance productivity, and enhance decision making, all within a budget of under $1,000. For instance, AI-powered chatbots can help with customer service. AI-driven analytics can inform your business strategies, and AI-assisted content creation can save you time and effort. What's more, many of these tools offer affordable pricing plans, making them accessible to small businesses and startups. So let's take a look at a successful example. A friend of mine started an e-commerce business using AI-driven product research tools to identify trending products. They then utilized AI-powered social media management to engage with their audience and optimize their marketing strategy. By leveraging these AI tools, they were able to scale their business rapidly and efficiently, all within a modest budget. Their success story demonstrates that with the right tools and a bit of creativity, it's possible to build a thriving business without breaking the bank. To recap, we've covered the potential of AI in building a small business on a budget. We've discussed the challenges of limited funds and resources and how AI tools can help overcome these obstacles. We've also seen a compelling case study of a business that achieved success using AI within a budget of under $1,000. If you're excited about turning your business idea into reality, I'd love to hear from you. Share your ideas and experiences in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about leveraging AI for your business, I recommend checking out my next video where we'll dive deeper into business strategies and AI tools. If you want to contact me about anything that you've heard or seen in this video, don't hesitate to contact Alan on 07539141257 from outside the UK. That's +44 7539141257, or the landline 0333 224 1257 from outside the UK. That's +44 333 224 1257. You can schedule a call with me at calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can simply drop me an email to alan@alpusonlineai.com or alan@alpusgroup.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Cheers for now.